Hello everyone, I am Sobhan Kumar Paja from Mechanical Engineering Department of Ideal Institute of Engineering. Today we will discuss about the interference feeds. So the diagram for the interference feeds is shown here, and the upper limit of shaft and lower limit of shaft are abbreviated as ULS and LLS respectively, and for the upper limit of hole and the lower limit of holes are abbreviated as the ULH and the LLH respectively. And the maximum I represents the maximum interference and the minimum I represents the minimum interference. And for interference feeds, one thing we have to remember, that is the lower limit of shaft is should greater than the upper limit of hole. And for this type of feeds, the tolerance zones never meet but crosses each other. From the diagram, it is clearly shown that the tolerance zone never meet but the crosses each other. And for the to find out the maximum interference, the formula here we can use equals to the lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft. Actually it is the upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of hole, but I have written here the LLH minus ULS to remember easily, because earlier for the clearance feed and transition feeds the formula are written like that. Similarly, for the minimum interference, the formula is upper limit of hole minus the lower limit of shaft. But actually, the formula is the lower limit of shaft minus the upper limit of hole. From the diagram, it is clearly visible. And the interference fits may be the shrink fit, heavy drive fit, and the light drive fit. So let's discuss one problem. The problem is given like that: in an interchangeably assembly, the shafts of size 25 plus 0.04 minus 0.01 mm met with holes of size 25 plus 0.03 plus 0.02 mm. The maximum interference in microns in the assembly is, four options are given, out of which one is correct. We have to find one the correct one. So the holes and the shafts dimensions are given, and the formula for the maximum interference equals to the upper limit of hole minus the lower limit of hole. So from the given dimensions we can easily find out the upper limit of shaft and the lower limit of hole. So from the shaft dimension, the upper limit of shaft equals to 25 plus 0.04, that is 25.04 mm, and the from the hole dimension, the lower limit of hole equals to 25 plus 0.02, that is 25.02 mm. So the maximum interference is upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of hole, that is equals to 25.04 minus 25.02 mm equals to 0.02 mm. So to convert it into micron, we have to multiply it by 1000. So the answer is 20 micron. So the correct answer is the option C, that is 20 micron. Let's discuss one more problem. So the problem is like that: which one of the following is a clearance fit? So here four options are given. So the from the options given here we can see that the for the shaft and hole assembly, the designation, the dimensions are represent like that. The capital A is represent for hole. Basically for the hole dimensions, the holes are represented by the capital letter, and for the whole shaft dimensions, the shafts are designated by the small letters, and the capital H represent the basic hole system and small h represent the basic shaft system. So we will discuss it later. So we have to find out the correct answer out of four options given. So before that we have to remember one thing for the clearance fit, that is the lower limit of hole should always greater than the upper limit of shaft for the clearance fit. So out of the four options given, if we give a close look to the options, so except the option A, for the option B, option C and option D, we can clearly see that the lower limit of hole is not greater than the upper limit of hole. So the condition for the clearance speed, that is lower limit of hole greater than upper limit of shaft, is not valid for the option B, option C and option D, and but for option A the condition is valid, that is the lower limit of hole which is 50 plus 0.005 equals to 50.005 mm, which is greater than the upper limit of shaft, that is 50 minus 0.01, which is obviously less than the 50. So the option A is valid the statement, so the current option is the option A. So today up to that we will discuss next class about the allowance and basic shaft system and basic hole system. Thank you.